In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Video lecture for class 1, picture description. What is picture description? Picture description comprises of these important points. We have to learn to look at the given picture, think about it, discuss about that picture, and then being able to write about it. Compose simple sentences about that picture. Let's learn how to write picture description. First of all, we will look at a picture using our bright eyes and clever minds, and we will talk about it. We will talk what we are seeing in the picture, and then we are going to write some sentences about what we see in that picture. How to describe a picture? When we have a picture in front of us, the first thing we will do is to look carefully. We are going to observe the picture in detail. We are going to name the things which we see in that picture, the actions being performed in that picture. We will try to recognize the feelings of the people. And then at the end, we are going to make simple sentences. Remember, students, that you have to start the sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. Now we have an example. What can you see in this picture? Open your eyes, use your minds, and observe this picture very carefully. You can see a boy. You can see he's happy and he's playing. You can also see that there is sun in the background. There's a cloud also in the sky. The green grass, the flowers show that he is in a playground or a park, right? This is how you observe a picture. You see the people in them, the background, the place, the feelings, the colors. You're going to see and observe each of these. Now, let's see some useful sentences which you can make about this picture. First of all, you can see a boy in this picture. The boy is playing. The sun is bright. And now you can complete the given sentences here by yourself. What color is of the grass? The grass is green, right? And then at the end, how is that boy feeling? As you can see very clearly, the boy looks happy. So in this way, you can compose simple sentences about a given picture. Let's do an activity, a simple activity. Now look at this picture and try to say 3 sentences about it. You can note down the colors. You can note down the shape. And what else do you see in this picture? Do this activity orally. Now it's time for our second activity. You have to find at least one noun, one adjective, and one verb in this picture. Noun can be a person, it can be an animal. Adjective means that you have to see the feelings of the noun or the colors in the picture. And then the verb means that you have to tell what action is happening in the picture. Now let's come to the checklist. As you have just observed this picture, let's see what questions should come in your mind. The first thing is that who is in the picture? Which noun you can see in the picture? Is it an animal, a child, or a robot? Now, you must have guessed that there's a puppy in this picture. So the next thing you're going to check is what is this noun doing? What is the puppy doing? Is it eating an apple? Is it flying a kite? Or is it playing? Obviously, you can see in the picture that the puppy is playing with the ball. Now, the next thing you're going to see is that where is this action happening? Is it happening at a park, the beach, or in a room? As you can see the green grass and the flowers and the fence. So definitely you're going to say that it is happening in a park. So the puppy is playing with the ball in a park, right? Then when is this action happening? Is it daytime? Is it sunny? Can you see the sun? Or is it nighttime? Are there stars or moon visible? As you can see, the picture is quite bright. So it is definitely daytime. It's a sunny day. The last thing you're going to observe is that how is the character, the main noun, the puppy in the picture feeling? Is it feeling sad? Is it happy, angry, or excited? You can say the puppy is excited or it is quite happy in the picture as it is playing with the ball. So this is how you're going to observe a picture. You're going to see its background. You're going to see the character in the picture. You're going to see the action happening in the picture. When or where is this action happening? You're going to observe all these things and then you're going to compose your simple sentences about the picture. Now, here is a sample. It's how you can compose simple sentences about a picture, which you have already seen. There's a brown puppy in the picture. Here we have mentioned an adjective that is brown. Colors are also adjectives, they're quality. It is playing with the ball. It is in a park. It is a sunny day. The puppy is happy. And then comes the concluding sentence, the ending sentence, which is about that picture. I like this picture. You can make any other concluding sentence like, this is a great picture. This is a wonderful picture. At the end, it is compulsory to write a concluding sentence about a picture. That is all for today. Now, I suggest that you practice every day. You have your English books with you, find different pictures in them, observe those pictures, look carefully, note down all the details, the adjectives like the colors, the feelings, then the nouns, the characters in the picture, then the place, then the actions of the nouns, what actions they're performing, and then the ending sentence of the picture. Write them all and practice every day. Thank you so much.